Hi, I'm Rachel. I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In this video we'll be painting this cute reindeer wrapped in fairy lights. This is a sped up version, but if you would like to watch the full-length tutorial in real time with step-by-step instructions, then this is available on my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art. I'll add a link into the description of this video. The full-length tutorial shows you exactly how to paint this reindeer from start to finish, and I'll also explain all of the paint colours and other materials and techniques that I use. If you join my Patreon, you will also get instant access to all of my full-length art tutorials, which includes lots of fun, colourful animal paintings. To start this reindeer painting, I began by sketching the outline of the design onto my canvas. I then painted the background a shade of dark blue. I wanted it to look like the night sky so that the glow from the fairy lights will really stand out in the finished painting. I decided to paint around the fairy lights so that I didn't lose track of where they were. This took quite a bit of time, but it was definitely worth it when I started to paint the glow of the lights, as I knew exactly where to do this. I painted a faint glow around each fairy light with a shade of light blue paint. The glow from the lights will be a huge part of this painting, so I spent a while making sure I got this effect just right. It's actually a lot easier than it looks once you break down all of the steps, which is what I do in the full-length tutorial. To create the effect of a snowy sky, I splattered some light blue paint over the whole of the background. I've created a video showing you how to do this, which I'll add a link in the description of the video for you. This technique is really easy and it's a great way to add snow and stars and even just to make a background look more interesting. I painted the reindeer in 2 layers, which is a technique that I use for most of my animal art tutorials. It makes it so much easier to create a painting, and building up the layers also helps to create more depth and detail. I used lots of warm tones, including yellows, oranges and browns, to paint the reindeer, which contrasts really well with the dark blue background, helping it to pop out from the canvas. Using contrasting colours really helps to make the colours of a painting look brighter and more vibrant, so if you're like me and you like to create colourful paintings, then this is a great tip to help with that. I hope you enjoy watching the process of this cute reindeer painting. Make sure you watch until the end to see the glowing lights come together, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.